Hello everyone, my name is Nora, and I'm a student ambassador here at Grossmont College. Today I will show you the steps to complete the assessment placement questionnaire for English and Math. Start by going to Grossmont College's website by typing grossmont.edu in your browser. Then click on Web Advisor on the top right corner. Once you are in this page, log in. If you have any problems logging in, you may contact the Admissions and Records Office. Click on the Student menu. Under the Orientation Assess Advising tab, click on the Step 2 Assessment/Placement Questionnaire. Once you are on this page, read carefully through the questions and select the most accurate and applicable answers. Remember, you can only submit the questionnaire once, so I recommend you double-check your answers before clicking Submit. When you answer all of the required questions and click Submit, the system will display the score for English and Math. In addition, the system will display whether you have to take an ESL assessment or not. If the ESL assessment is needed, register to one of our scheduled ESL assessment sessions through Web Advisor or call the Assessment Center. We will have the information along with the tutorial video listed in the description box below. Back to the English and Math placements, now that you have your results on file, you will want to have your abbreviated educational plan, which is a one-semester plan, so you know what classes to take next semester based on your educational goals. You may do this online by clicking on Step 3, Online Advising, and completing the process. It's as simple as that. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask us, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Again, we have all the contact information, links, and flyers in the description box. Have a nice day!